Woohoo! Look at that. Indie in the house. Uh-oh. Ads. Almost ready. Did I see WWDC 25? What's that? I'm not following the abbreviations. Oh, Apple thing? No. Come on. Okay. I don't follow Apple shit. I don't care. I just use MacBook Pros, that's about it. Everything else Apple can suck a dick. You're on iOS 26, macOS. Nice. Good for you, man. Let me know how it goes. What? You like it? Is it that much different? You gotta go to bed? You always... What? You have a big test tomorrow? Shit. Get out of school, man. Start your summer. Alright, man. Thanks for jumping on. Okay. Well, with that out of the way, let's actually get the category going. Get some peeps from the Twitchiverse. Checking out some game development. Oh, shit. Let's snooze the ads for 5 minutes. How about that? Okay. Hey everybody, happy Monday! First Monday of summer break, at least for my kids. And yeah, it's not bad. Though that mic is dangerously high. So, did not stream on Friday, apologize for that. End of the school year barbecue going on. So, I was indisposed that night. But since then I've done a lot of work, at least kind of on the game. I've been working on some new assets and I added Dr. Cranston and Professor Giles, or is it Professor Cranston and Dr. Giles? I forget which one it is. But we now have 2 new NPCs. And with that actually came some new logic I had to work out. Because I had never put multiple wandering NPCs before. So I didn't know how they interacted as far as, like, you know, the code's concerned. Hey! Love to play Roblox is back. What up? How you doing? Thanks for jumping on. Just got started. Yeah, and I'm now in my summer hours of streaming, so more than not will be later. I'll try to stream until later, obviously. But yeah, streams will be a little bit later because kids are going to bed later, and then my night gets started later. So, anyways, multiple NPCs wandering. Logic is good now. I basically compartmentalized the code for the Wanderer, so it's very specific per NPC instead of there being like global break variables and stuff like that. So I still feel like this mic is too high. I don't know why. It is too high. Dr. Seuss. So yeah, that's good. And I made a couple NPC character avatars for Cranston and Giles. They are stuck in their room. After you finish the stream, can you put Daniela 07365? What do you mean, put? What does that mean? Oh, are you talking about on Roblox again? Oh, did I get a request that I missed? Add friends. Oh, friend request. Here we go. Which one were you? Oh, you didn't add me? Or did you? I don't see you. Was it a friend request you made? I only see 14 here. I know this guy. No, I don't see you. People you may know. No. I guess I could search for you. What is it? Oh. 7365. Vanny Danny, is that you? Wow. Or did I just add somebody random? Oh, okay. Perfect. There you go. Request sent. Okay. So yes. We got the NPCs walking around randomly. They are stuck in their little offices. And Carol is still walking around completely naturally. And so the next thing I wanted to work on was, you know, I have to finish this level. So I have been working on the asset, begrudgingly working on the asset for the level. So I sectioned off this bottom area so it looks a little bit more natural, not just like an empty space. And I added this little fake rug and these double doors. So here is the new office for Mr. Giles and whatnot. You went on Roblox and said yes. Nice. And then this is Cranston. I think I have their names backwards, but who cares? So yeah, that is what we got going on here. So we have the makings of 2 new offices. Put a bunch of like papers and then like a library, made his chair white. I think I want to put some more, maybe another table over here. He has to be part of the research and development team. So papers, books, that works. But it also probably needs to have some sort of prototype going on. Machine. So I think I'm going to put a random machine over here. Or maybe down here. Maybe to balance the room out, I'll put it down in this corner. So let's see what we can do here. Pixel art, style, complex looking machine in isometric perspective. Cool. Oh, I didn't put no background. Hey, prom boy! I'm back! What up, bud? Welcome back to the party. We are working on assets, level assets. How you doing, man? Yeah, so I'm just gonna work my way up. Started down here. You know, we got the front. And then I got Cranston's and Giles' office here. That's where this old man with the mustache will be moving around. Hey, Carol, what's up? And then we got this dude over here on the right. Humping the wall. That's okay, he'll only hump it for a little bit. We'll get his set up. I just realized that I can't really see the right side of his office. So I might not need... Well, if I go over here, you can. If I scroll it to the right and then walk back down, you can. So yeah, I should definitely consider it. Alright, that's fine. What kind of face is that? I have no idea. It is kind of a weird face, isn't it? Talking about his face? They're supposed to be like kind of like grumpy dicks that get him fired. Like the whole point is that these two guys complained about my transportation research and basically said, you know, it's not possible. You guys should give up on his project. So the board of directors decided, hey, we don't want to put any more money into Graham's transportation device project. So, so these guys are like the dicks, basically. That, and he kind of talks about it in a little bit in the cutscene, where they're in like a funding war with him. But yeah. So we got to get that working. I also want to get actual walking animations for all three of these NPCs. And well, and four. I have to actually redo... Actually, I have to redo Salverson too. This is not the final avatar I want for the boss. I don't... It doesn't match the same aesthetic. Like he doesn't have outlines and stuff like that, so it doesn't work. I want to make a new one of him. And then we need to finish the break room. And then that's pretty much it. And it's kind of like a final, you know, level. And then we got to move to the CEO office, and we need to set up all that shit. But can you tell your daughter to add me on Roblox? She's got like 5,000 friends on Roblox. I don't think you need to worry about that. And, yes. This will work out. Let's see what we got here. These are like giant. These are not... Actually, this one's not bad, but it's a little bit too, like... It's not pixel art enough. 5,000 might be exaggerating, but I know she has, like, way too many. A pixel art style, complex looking machine. A low... Is it low poly? No. Maybe I should just try again. Because it's... Let's just say with no background. See if it changes. Yeah, I think, I don't know. Does it tell you how many friends they have? She has 158. So that's like 5,000 to me. 476 friends on Roblox. Whoa. 62 friends. Loser. It's still a little... This one's actually okay. I think this one will work. This one looks like an apartment building. It has stairs. This one actually can pass. Let's do this one, and then let's get some variations on it. But in the same vein. Non-G-Bear. Or non-G-Bear. You have 215? Woo! I have a lot of requests just from playing. People just like request to be friends with you all the time, but I'm only on there because I play with my kids, so I don't really feel the need to add friends. But she actually plays with people, and so I don't mind it. A lot of Dandy's World. I don't know. Which one do I like the most? This one's kind of like compact, but this one's... Oh, I definitely can't have it cut off, so that's not going to work. Maybe this one. Yeah. Or do I like the original? No. I kind of like this one. We're going with number 2. Number 1? Yeah, but it's got the bottoms all cut off. I'm going to need it not cut off. One, two. Sorry. And then let's go ahead and throw it in. Oh, I always forget to actually save it. My bad. Alright. Let's put you in the game, eh? And size-wise, yeah, I should make it take up some space. Something like that. Yeah, that's good. I don't even walking around too much. And let's do a little bit of a shadow, why don't we? Something like that. That's pretty natch. Sure. Alright, this is machine. Cool. Okay. I think his space is done. Now, I'm going to be able to use the brand new wall builder feature next. So let's actually... I know this isn't done yet, but I'm going to save this one out. I think I said I kept a JPEG, right? What was the last one I did? I did, I did final... No, that's MP3. Very quiet, solve, semi-final. This one was 1.5. How big is this? Get info. This one is... I don't know. Where am I? Why can't I see the dimensions? Usually it tells you. Am I blind? Okay. Well, I think we can get away with 2 megs. It's pretty big. But let's just deal with it. Foresight, pretty. Semi new. Yeah, right. And now let's take the site down. Oh, actually, I need to push up the newest thing. Hey, Brian boy. And now let's make sure we do not push up the database like I did last time by accident. Man, Twitch has a lot of ads going on right now. Oh, come on, dude. Take your time, why don't you? Nope. Okay, here we go. What did I do? Oh my god, why is this lagging so hard? How's my CPU? Everything's fine. It's just the fucking local environment. Impressive! Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. That's my pretty song. I think I'm going to use that one for the love interest in the game, Yona. Every time they talk, I'm going to have it playing in the background. As like foreshadowing. I already have it recorded with a full orchestra. All instruments played by me. Instruments. I think... Okay, here we go. So we're going to push this up. This has all the newest Wanderer logic and the wall building logic. So I should be able to... Actually, let's push the code up here too. New Wanderer logic and wall builder. Just so I don't forget. And it's in the cloud. Okay, cool. So that will be good. Reina. And then let's... go ahead. We got the game. Let's log in. We are now in the game. Oh, actually. Yeah. So, Carol, you do your thing. We're going to add a couple new... Oh, I already added them here. Oh, that's right. I added them first in production. And I pulled them down. Smart. I guess I don't have to do that. But let's update the map. Oh, look at that. I'm already here. Okay. So... Let's update the map. Is it this one? Yeah, explore map. This is going to take the site down, but worth it. Dismiss. I know it's too big. Don't you think I know my own media library size limitations? But you can't stop me, WordPress. I'll upload whatever the fuck I want. Boom, boom. What XD means? Isn't that just the emoji of someone laughing really hard? There we go. All right, Dr. Cranston, you have a new office. And now once that code pushes, which I might already have pushed, we should be able to add walls so I can map out his office a little bit more. So let's do it. Level selector. Oh, we don't need this. I'm already there. Oh yeah, look at his little office. You're so cool. Oh, I love the new map. Yeah, with the door right there. Yeah, this looks way more natural now. Okay, so let's go into dev mode. Let's actually hide all this bullshit. Okay, which one's Giles? Oh, okay, that's Giles. So this is Professor Cranston. Hey, Cranston. I'm in your office, even though I shouldn't be able to go in here. Oh, one thing I forgot to do is... I need to disengage God mode and no touch mode for NPCs, because right now they have the same thing. If you put it sideways... Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so let's hide some of this so I can start adding walls. Let's hide all the explainers because they're in my ways. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Won't let me do that. No, that's a cutscene trigger. I don't need to hide that. Reading signs. View missions. Okay, cool. Now, we added this brand new wall builder feature, and by we I mean I did. So when I click this little icon on the sign here, you see how it's glowing blue? And you see my cursor is now this thingy doodad. So, now what happens is, I can create walls in the game. So I can do this. So now everywhere that is a light blue is a wall. So now he can't walk there. Same thing here. I'll do the same thing over here for this guy. So this is now a wall. Which actually, let's make it a little bit shorter so he can walk in front of it a little bit. And let's do the desk area as well. We'll do this whole corner. We'll do like this. Actually, let's let him walk up to here. And then let's do these papers as well. So now all of these are technically walls. So now see, he's kind of being pushed away from these walls. Ooh, I didn't think about this. All the ones up there I should probably make smaller. So when I turn this off, now I can move them around because they're items on the map. So let's move this one down. And I also want to make... I should have made that a foreground item. Yeah, that's fine. So that one's good. He can walk over here. Honestly, I should probably move this even higher up. Oh, shit. There we go. So he should be able to walk like in front of it like that. Yeah, that's good. And then this one actually I should make higher. And I can change the size of it later. So he should be able to walk up to it like that. Actually, now I think about it, I just don't want him to walk through it. So let's actually just do a little bit like the wall. Yeah. Yeah, let's just do something like that. That's fine. And then this he should be able to walk up to as well. So maybe the same height. Okay. So technically, that should be pretty good. So now he can walk up to a certain point. Yeah, see, now he's walking away from... So he's walking in front of it. So perspective-wise, it works. But he shouldn't be able to walk any farther over there to the left. Yeah, see how he's getting stopped? Okay, it's working. And I know it's weird that he walked over the chair, so I should add a little bit more over there. So let's do a little bit here. The top of the chair. He shouldn't be able to walk through it. There we go. Oh yeah, wall building mode is smooth. It's working really well. This is great. And in fact, I think I'm kind of backwards on this machine here. I don't want him to be able to walk there. But he should be able to walk up to it, like to there. So really it should be like, that should all be exposed. Okay. Alright, I need to change the, I'm going to refresh so I can change the height of all these. And hopefully they all stuck. Did I do it right? Yay! Alright, good. All the walls that I created are there. Let's now switch them. And you'll see every wall has the area, the location name in the name, the top and the left positioning in the name. I couldn't think of a better way of dynamically creating wall names. Though I'm starting to think I should not put walls in this list, because this list is getting long already. I mean, look at all these walls. Oh, which one was that? I think it's the papers that I just clicked on. So what's this one? This is the, looks like the chair maybe. So the chair's fine. Maybe that was the chair one actually. So is that this one? No. Okay, so this one, I need to update the size here. So the height we can probably cut in half. Let's do 45. Oh, I did the wrong one. I did width. 95. The height. The height we can do, let's try 100. There we go. That's better. I think we could go even smaller though. Let's do 60. Okay. Yeah, so that should be enough to stop him from walking too high through it. And then, what do we got here? Okay, that's the papers there. That's the machine. So let's change the machine height to also 60. And that should be good enough. I can make it a little taller actually. Let's do 80. Yeah, that's good. And let's hide this damn... Oh, it's a view mission one. There we go. Okay, now I can see better. So that's good. So he can't just walk through it. But he can't walk under it either. I kind of want him to be able to walk under it. Can he walk under it? No. I can also just move them around too. Oh no, I forgot which one it was. No. 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 I think it was one of these up top. No. This one. Little shorter. Let's go back down to 70. There we go. Now I should be able to fit. And so this is the kind of minute control on the front end that I really want for the game engine. I want people to be able to do this, like mess around with the actual items without it being kind of a drag to do. Let's see, is this the right one? Yeah, I think this is right. So let's switch this to 60. And let's move it down. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I think this works. See, I can walk up to here. You know. I mean, honestly, I guess I could technically make it higher. I mean, I'm a little bit taller. So it's a little weird for me. But I'm never going to go in his office either. So it's just supposed to look kind of natural for him. It kind of looks like I'm walking around the desk. Like if I hide it. Perspective's really natural. And like here, like I can't walk into it. He can, but I can't. And here, I can walk up to the papers a bit. Can't walk here. Alright, cool. I like it. Speaking of which, I do need to fix the God mode stuff, because that is actually a drag. I would like to be able to turn God mode on. Oh, actually, God mode is part of here. God mode. Here we go. Yeah, so God mode, I only want it to affect me. So, oh, I forgot that I did this. So if it's an NPC, then no. Perfect. And true does not equals NPC. Fantastic. Okay, that should solve it. Easy peasy. Solving my own problems. Fantastic. Yeah, no, this is good. So now I can do God mode. Wait, where's no touch? No touch also I don't want to affect. So yeah, this is a different interval. Okay, so this has nothing to do with them. Good, 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 good. Alright. So let's push this up as well, because this will help me be able to turn God mode on and not have the NPCs just flying off the map. Because that's the main problem. When I turn it on, they just started walking through walls. Because we're using the same collision point logic. Push changes. There we go. Let me in. There we go. And push. Fixing bugs on the fly. I know, I'm just chilling in his office. Hey, I fucking hate you. Pop, 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 pop. Hey, remember that I hate you? Get out of here. Get out of here. Look, I'm gonna box him in. You can't go anywhere now, dude. I am the wall. Me. You change your profile? Nice. Roblox. I am the wall. Yeah, I think his office is done. I think I'm okay with this. He's got a weird machine. Hey, Yatin, how you doing? Good morning. How you been? How you doing? Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Let's see. Did you push? You pushed. Okay. Now I should be able to turn on God mode, and only I can walk through walls again. Let's do it. You doing good? Fantastic. That makes me happy. Alright, let's try it out. Progress is going well. I've got dev mode to a pretty functional level. Oh no. He just walked through a wall. Why? What did I do? Oh no. I think I had the opposite effect. No, wait, I think I did it backwards. They're just walking through walls now. Hold on. What did I do? True does not equal. And, oh crap. No. So, wait, false equals God mode. And true. Oh shit. Oh god, hold on. No, I gotta do my brain. Or true equals NPC. Right? False equals God mode. And true does not equal NPC, which is, that's correct, because if it is an NPC, I don't care if it's false equals God mode. Or true equals NPC. So if it's an NPC, yeah, this is right. If it's an NPC, I always want it to go through. Cool. Cool. Yes. I think this is what I want. But I should test it. When you were doing the piano, was that the music from Bluey? Oh, what, this one? Nah, it's just Mozart. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. Is there a Bluey episode where they do Mozart? Probably. I don't know. I don't know the rest of the song. Oh, okay, then yeah. Mozart. Then that's definitely it. Yeah, actually, I think I remember the episode. Is that the episode where Louie's gone and Bingo has to like entertain herself the whole time? Maybe. Would be. Let's go over to local and see if they can walk through walls now. Can you walk through walls? We're about to find out. Come on, old man. Stay in your home. Okay, good. And now if I turn on God mode, can you still not walk through walls? Seems like he's doing what he's supposed to. And I have no touch mode on, so he doesn't care about me anymore. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay, good. Now only I can walk through walls and shit. Alright, let's push this up before I lose all my NPCs to the netherworld. But yeah, Yatin, it's going well. We have wall builder mode now, so I can build modes, build walls on any levels. So now I don't need to throw Illustrator on and build a completely new collision point map anymore. Even though I'm leaving that logic, because for massive maps, it would be cool to still have the ability to just upload a, you know, a bulk SVG and it's good to go. You don't have to like go and create a bunch of walls. But I also want that. Like from Minecraft movie, he said that, yeah, the nether. Been watching the Minecraft movie a lot lately. My kid saw it in the theater with her friend, and then we finally decided to just buy it, stream it in the movie theater, our movie theater. And it's funny. I'm a Jack Black fan, so it's right up my alley. I've been watching Jack Black since I was a little kid, so he makes me happy. Alright. We lost all our NPCs. No, and I'm stuck in his office. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, but look, wall mode. Man, walls are perfect. I didn't even have to add to the Illustrator. And that's also something that would be cool. You can use the actual Illustrator file just to do like the big, giant swaths of collision points, like the outlines of the map. And then I can do all the little inner walls using the wall builder mode. So that's another way to utilize both. And it doesn't have to be one or the other. So yeah, I'm stoked. I don't like the shadow. I'm gonna pretend that's like an oil spill on this little machine though. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. He should no longer be able to leave his home. There we go. He's stuck again. One kid before the movie even started. The little bro already said chicken jockey. Of course. I expect nothing less. That movie had destroyed movie theaters for many people. Alright. So now the dev mode is off. And we can walk around. Let's see what we got. Why are you in front of me? So I consider Mr. Giles or Cranston, I forget which one he is again. I think this office is done. I think he's wandering naturally. I think he has enough stuff in his office to make it look good enough. I mean, I could add like a rug or something, but I don't think it matters. And he's just kind of walking around looking at stuff, so. Next, we need to do his office. I already have his chair and his desk and his computer, but I need to figure out what scientist would he be. He's kind of a weirdo. I bet he's doing some weird stuff. So let's, it looks like he's still actually paying attention to me. Huh. I thought I put no touch mode on it, wouldn't matter. We even watched Lilo and Stitch movie. You cried 3 times. Yeah, I don't know if I can watch that. Have you any plans to take game development into 3D production level? You know, maybe. Because I've been messing around with 3JS, or was it 3DJS? 3JS. A little bit. And it's very powerful. And it's still very, like, website friendly. So I have considered, I'm in Michigan. I've considered, like, implementing some of that, like even in this game as part of like a mini game or something like that. 3JS. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. But I don't know yet. I don't think it would add anything to this game yet. So I think for now I'm gonna keep it just pixel style, and I should be able to add that in the future iteration. I definitely, it'd be cool if the game engine itself had the ability for you to like use 3D mechanics and stuff in like a future update of the plugin, because the game engine plugin is going to have multiple modes. This is going to be your normal RPG mode, but then I'm going to have turn-based RPG mode as well, where you know, you can do turn-based fighting style, which is actually a lot easier than what I'm building. To be honest, if I was just doing turn-based fighting and stuff like that, it's like, ooh, I walk into somebody, now you're in a new area, and it's just math. So like that would be easy. You're in Tennessee. Oh, okay. Going to New York. Fantastic. So, yeah, we're gonna have that, and then yeah, I could definitely have some sort of 3JS, you know, first-person shooter mode or something. That might be fun to build. Complicated physics. Yeah, it's not easy, but if I grasp the concept of keyboard interactive movement in 3JS to where I can move perspective around me, then it'll be just as complicated as whatever the fuck I'm building now. You know, because I've already built bosses, enemies that can track your movement and shoot you at a specific rate, people that can run at you and follow you around the map. Like there's a lot of really complex logic in here that if I put enough time into it, I'm sure I could figure it out. But that might not be the route, though. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet with 3JS, so it could be. You know, there's that Mario Kart game built on React Threads or whatever. What was it called? Mario Kart. React 3 Fiber. Is that what it is? Yeah, Mario Kart JS. This one. Yeah. So this is something that is awesome. and it works. I mean, you can just download it and play it. I think you should be able to just play it. How do you play it? Is it just Mario Kart JS.com or something? No, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I remember I used to have the link to it. But anyways. Whoa. Yeah. So there's different things to do. Hey, tired of. Why not use a real programming language? What? Are you telling me that Vanilla.js, Sass styling, and PHP are not real programming languages? Technically, they are. What do you consider a real programming language? I'm interested now. Tell me. C? So you're like 60 years old or something? Yeah, C's real. I mean, what, you're building in Unity or something? C sharp, something like that. Is Unity C++? C sharp? I get all the C's mixed up. I don't know any of them. And then there's Rust and Java and Godot script. You can build a game in anything. That's not true. But you can build a game in almost anything. I mean, I built one in JavaScript and styling on a website in a WordPress plugin I built. So, yeah. I guess you could build a game in anything. Okay. And I think we're good. I think we're good with the new office. Here. I think his new office looks good. I have all the walls built. The walls look good. And let's move on to his office. So, what does he do? He's a weirdo. I feel like he'd be like a bug scientist. I mean, he is right next to Carol's botany office. So, I guess a bug, the entomologist. Is that right? I always get that wrong. Entomology? Study of bugs? Yeah, there you go. Let's make him a bug scientist. So then we're going to need a bunch of bug shit. Let's make a whole desk in the back with just bug shit on it. And let's add more bug stuff on his desk. And then maybe like a bug robot. Maybe he's building a robot based off of bugs. That would make sense for a piece of shit. Alright, let's see what we can do. Let's jump into here. Let's add some shit. So first off, I think I can steal the desk that I built for the break room. So that'll be good. Where are the legs? That's a shadow. Okay, here we go. Oh, table. There we go. Perfect. I already grouped it together. I don't know. I keep forgetting which is which, so I'm gonna leave it. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So let's take you. Pirates of the Caribbean. And if you say Pirates of the Caribbean, you're a psychopath. Heard about... Oh yeah, Indy jumped on earlier and asked me the same question. What anything specific that you heard about that it's interesting? Because he, I guess he already downloaded the version 26 of Mac OS, and he said it's really cool. I don't know what that means, though. Like, why is it cool? Tell me, what am I missing? I don't really need a beta version of anything, but I am interested. Just UI. Alright. Then I definitely don't need it. So let's take you guys. Stretch them out. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't mean to stretch out the legs. Whatever, I guess it doesn't matter. You're coming too, legs. I guess that's fine. I can fix this too. The sun drawn and eerie. Cool, now he has a big old desk. I kinda don't like how... Yeah, that actually feels a lot better. There we go. It was just looking a little bit too chonky. Alright. Now we can put some bug stuff on it. So let's just get a bunch of bug pictures. How about it? Pixel art style. Is it called taxidermy? Bug taxidermy? Bug taxidermy. No background. In cases. Maybe. Why not? Here we go. These don't look pixel art. Oh, yeah, they kind of do. This one does. That's pretty perfect. Let's get a bunch of those. Alright, Shatin! Thank you for jumping on, my friend. I'll catch you in the next one. Very. Very. Give me more. I mean, that's not that different. Yeah, see, that doesn't look pixely enough. What? Excuse me. Here we go. I mean, these all are very, I mean, it's fine. I need a few of them, so it's fine. We can grab you. And then we'll grab you, because you look a lot different. Oh, oops. You. And we'll grab you. And let's get some different kinds of bugs. Alright. Let's get some like glass cases. Pixel art style glass. Cases. Case. with taxidermied butterfly. Something like that. Let's see what that gives us. Yeah, I don't have enough keys to play that one. Oh, I forgot to put no background. I also didn't really think about it. Glass, you need to really be able to see through it. Should be fine. I can work on that myself. And yeah, I think once I get a few of these, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Numero tres. Fantastic. Let's get a couple versions of this to throw around. And then let's get an isometric. What would be a really good bug? Like a millipede or something? Something like that. Do good. What else we got here? They're all kind of very similar. Let's do this one. Numero dos. Hey, Akip! How you doing? Why did I say Akip? Akp. Akp. Hey, welcome. Happy to have you from Nigeria. What brings you to the wonderful world of WordPress programming? And random piano. Doop, 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 doop. And then the last one, let's do a pixel art style. We'll do just a stand with, we'll do like a, alright, let's make it grosser. Let's do platter with dissected millipede. No background. That makes sense. I probably didn't spell any of that right, but yeah, we're currently just building out some assets for the game. This game right here. So I'm working on this guy's office on the right here, which is coming along. Hey, Carol, you can't run into me. Haha. She tried. She can't. And yes, in case anybody's wondering, this game is based off of the Harmonian Chronicles, a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel series that is actually a 4-book series, but 2 books are out now. I'm writing book 3 right now. This is my book series, Scott V. Adrian, that's me. And the Orbem Order is a band. Orbem Order is my company name. Don't get confused. But yeah, everything's based off of book 1 right now. That's what I'm working on. And yeah, this is available now if you like sci-fi fantasy. You can get a little background on what the book's about. Oh, gross. I definitely didn't say I wanted, like, food. Maybe I shouldn't have said platter. Let's... yeah. Wait, people eat millipedes? Do they do that in Nigeria? Do they eat millipedes? I don't even know if there are millipedes in Nigeria. Dissected millipede, no background. So not a platter. Let's not say platter. Style. What's the doctor's plate called? Doctor's metal plate name. No, no. Like, where you put scalpels on shit. No, I don't want the scalpel. I'm saying, what's the fucking little plate? This thing. You put a tray. Steel tray? Alright. Oh, tray still could be like a catering tray though, so I don't know. It might not work. Can't fucking get that. Whatever. Okay, this is looking better. Now we're talking. Gross, but we're talking. Okay, now let's just do that one more time. Because I forgot to put isometric. Isometric perspective. Because this is going to go on his desk. So I need it to be a specific way. Come on. Fucking shit. That's really hard to play. So many fingers moving. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. They're what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, and they look like weird aliens. This is actually probably the best, but it's not pixely enough. This is more pixely. Yeah, I guess that one's actually pretty good. Let's get a couple versions though, just in case. Alright. Let's see if we can get something pretty pixely looking. Not too bad. What about you? This one looks the lowest. I think I'll go with the... yeah, with this one. It's the choppiest. Alright, now let's start putting a bunch of bug shit all over his office. Why don't we? Okay, I think one by one. Oh, wrong desk. Down here, buddy. This'll work right there. Ooh, that's gross. That'll be great. Next, where are we putting you, butterfly? I have two of these. I think I'm gonna, you know, kind of split up the beetles with it. And then I still need the robot. I forgot. That'll work. Good. Let's put one of these on his desk. Hey, Samanama, how you doing? Welcome to the party. You know what we do here. We party. I guess I should have made this isometric as well, but whatever. We'll just have it sideways for now. Maybe we'll have it kind of over here in front of the computer. Sure. Alright, let's get some bugs. He is an entomologist, and I'm going to put a giant, well, not too giant, but a giant, bug robot as well. I think we did 4 of these. How many did we do of these? I forgot. I think we did 3 of these, maybe. Alright. Sama Nama. Oh. It's Sama Nama. That's cool, Sama. I guess I've just been saying. Thank you! These are good decorations. The best that Midjourney can buy. Let's see here. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this is the bug scientist office. Alright, we still need some more. Let's get a couple more going on here. First, let's get the bug robot. Yeah, because I got a couple more scientists now. So he's gonna be the bug guy on the right. Over here. So he's gonna be Mr. Bug. And then on the left over here, we have the researcher old man. So this guy, he has a bunch of papers and a machine and a library. He's gonna have a buttload of bugs. And then we have the botanist. Those are my colleagues, basically. Why is he sliding? I don't know, he got stuck in the corner right there. Eventually he'll change course and do whatever he wants, but for now he's just gonna be stuck here. Hey. Hey. I can kind of push him with my body. Come in. Come on, you don't want to stay here. He's trying to figure out a way out. Maybe I should make it a little easier for him. Oh no, see, he's not stuck by anything. He's just kind of in a loop. Yeah, he'll get out. He's just kind of going through he's going through something right now. I have them locked in a room without any doors, so that's good. Alright, so we need pixel art, style. Let's do more bug things. Let's do like a diorama. Bug diorama. Diorama? I don't think that's how you spell diorama. On a stand. In isometric perspective, no background. It would be funny to make the bug guy bug out every time the character is just out of range. Bug out. Oh, you mean like have him transform into a bug right when you start to he gets out of your view? That'd be funny. Ooh, this is good. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Actually, I'm gonna take a couple of these. Actually, why not get 3 of these? Oh shit, that was the wrong one. That'd be really funny. So I do have the ability to have interaction image changes. So like when you interact with them, you could change the image, but I haven't had it just like random. I could make one of his walking direction images though be him animating into a bug. That would be cool. That would not be a bad idea. Oh shit. Save. And then let's finally get the bug robot going. Pixel style. Robotic bug in a state of repair in isometric perspective. No background. Let's try that out. Yeah, it might not be a bad idea to do. I could do that. I think I'll do that with all of them. Make them do weird shit every time they're walking around a little bit. I'll make their walking animation always end in something stupid. That'd be awesome. Okay, you 3. Let's do you. Put you. I want to put one of them on his desk too. Just to kind of fill it out some more. Let's make these a little smaller. Good little space fillers. We'll put this one on his desk. Yes. Definitely. The deeper the level, the weirder it gets. Yeah, if you stay too long, they just start fucking turning into monsters. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we can put this guy over here. Maybe I'll put him... I could put him in front. It's not a big deal. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll put this big bug guy over here. Uh-oh. Alright. Should I go big? I'll go bigger. Okay. Now let's just get our robot. Oh. That's pretty good. Though it's too bug-like. I want it to be more robot-like. A time limit if you stay one of the levels. Things go nuts. Yeah, that'd be cool. I mean, once we get the Orbem, we can do all kinds of crazy shit. That's a fantasy universe, you know? This one's kind of cool. Maybe I should say broken instead of state of repair. Let's say broken, because I want it to be kind of like he's building it. Style broken robot bug. Let's try that. Type chrome metal plating. Oh, chrome metal plating on it. I guess that would make it look a bit more. These don't even look broken. They're cool, but yeah, let's try your idea. Let's give it some direction on color. Chrome plated. Destroyed. That might be too much. It's just gonna be like melted. I don't think it understands what I'm asking for, broken wise. But I think we're going with this one. This one looks a little bit fucked. I wanted you. I do like the shadow on this one though. Yeah. Let's do this one and let's get some variations on it. Okay. We're getting less bug, which is actually better for me. Yeah, I like it. Let's go with this one. Right. Right. That'll twerk. And it would be nice to start animating some of this stuff, but it's fine. Like, I could animate both of these machines and make them actual items on the map, but I think for now it's okay. And I think what I want to do is put him here, kind of on the bigger end. And, oh, it took away my shadow anyways. Whatever. And then let's add, like, tools and shit. Make it hop up and down. Yeah, just kind of, like, move around a little bit. Let's add, like, oil spill and tools. Pixel art style, oil spill, and tools. Let's see what it does. AI on AI. It's the only way to develop these days. Any sort of art. Hey, that actually worked. That's a good pixel art oil spill. Though I don't really understand why it took the arms away. Oh. Shoot. Right, let's... how do I do that? I have to rasterize this layer. Rasterize. Okay. And apply mask. And then let's remove the background. Okay, that worked. Ish. Yeah, let's put the oil spill under it. There we go. That'll twerk. And then let's clear this out. It's bugging out. Let's add a little shadowing under his feet. And let's add a lighter shadow under his entire body. Make it a little bit more natural in its space. Alright. That'll twerk. Now all we have to do is all the other goddamn bugs. You're next. Remove. You're next. Remove. You're next. Remove. Come on. We got this. Thank God for Photoshop's much easier interface than when I first started using Photoshop. Looks like it could hop out through this. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Very cool. Now, I definitely want to just do kind of a overarching shadow run. So let's go here. Let's go back to 25 or around there. Let's add some depth to all of these. Make it a little bit more natural. Oh yeah. Depth for days. Looking good, buddy. Yeah, we'll go like harder on this side, lighter on this side. Alright. Good enough. Very bugtacular. And for this one, maybe I will add like a rug or something under here. Let's do like 20 pixel. Let's go, it doesn't really matter, but like we'll do something like this. Okay. And then we'll fuck with the layers. We'll do a texture. And a gradient. And we'll match the yellow. Actually, I don't need to go gradient, but let's do a color overlay. Let's do the yellow. It's kind of like the Foresight color. Thank you. Grammar, please. And then texture-wise, I think it kind of matches. That's good. Just a little bit kind of weird looking. Be nice if I could change. I think this changes. Oh, okay, good. So I can actually change this myself. Let's change the depth. And then let's check the color overlay. Make it a little. I think that's fine. I just want to blend it in a little bit. Does this have stroke? No. I don't want it to. Yeah, I'm not in love with it. I guess it doesn't. It's not too crazy. Well, maybe if we just change the shape. Maybe make it more like a walking thing for over here. Maybe we'll do like kind of a runner, and then maybe we can do one more for like under the desk. Just to kind of like give it a little bit more extra something something. More. Oh shit. What did I do? God damn it. No. What did I do? I lost it. Oh, there it is. There we go. Yeah, that makes a little more sense now. Yeah, it's like carpet, but I don't know. Just something you'd have in your office, I guess. Yeah, I don't mind it. I like it. We got all his bugs, got his bug robot. I did want some tools. Maybe we can just put some tools lying around. I actually kind of want to have tools for both of the offices. Pile of tools. Because I could put it on the other guy's stuff too. A lot more tools than I was expecting. Let's do a small pile. Even though floor's carpet, the bug masterpiece needed double layers. Yeah, exactly. Small pile of engineering tools. Yeah, if he rolls up the carpet, maybe there's like a hatch. You go down to the bug world. Yeah, okay, well now it's just going crazy. What is this? Maybe that top left one's not too bad. It's kind of weird, like the hammer's just standing up though. Alright, I gotta go. It's late. Hey, thank you, Sama Nama, for jumping on, my friend. Always a pleasure to have you hanging out with me. Mr. Akep Afilani from Nigeria. Also, thank you so much for jumping on. Yatin, always a pleasure, my friend. Thank you for jumping on as well. Indy, even though you were gone so soon, always a pleasure having you come by and say hi. And of course, I love Roblox. Wait a second. You remind me of that evil corporate boss in Fifth Element. Nice. Power Weasel, I missed you. Thanks for jumping on and saying that. I am definitely an evil corporate boss. And who else was on? Roblox, I said thank you. Prime Boy, thanks for jumping on as well. Always good to have you come by and give me some fun emojis to watch. And yeah, anybody watching in the future, thank you so much. Come say hi in person. Don't forget orbemortar.com for all your information you need. Join the Discord. Buy the products. Play the game. Buy the books. Listen to the music. It's a lot to do. So I'll catch you all in the next one. Happy Tuesday for me. And whatever time it is for you, whatever day it is for you, happy that damn too. Goodbye.